Let's talk some NFL now, and NFL star Ezekiel Ansah, he has made donations to a couple of communities in the Akropong district. My colleague Asari Bidiaka was there and comes through with this report.
The presentation ceremony took place at the Tetekwashi Memorial Hospital in Mampono, Akropong. This is not the first time the NFL star is coming to the aid of the less privileged in society. In December last year, Ezekiel Ansah Foundation donated items and equipment to pregnant women and new mothers in the area. Ezekiel Ansah says he's passionate about health care.
It's been a long road coming, and health has always been important to me. They say health is wealth, and you need to be healthy to be able to play sports. Alongside, my mom was a nurse, so I've been around the health sector for a while, and that was the genesis of it. As a matter of fact, this is just the first of many to come. I knew that when I was coming in, I had a little commentary about the fact that it was directed towards Akropong North, which is, yes, it is, but we got to start somewhere. So Akropong North is going to be the beginning, and then the subsequent years to come, we're going to be able to spread it all out.
Director General of the National Sports Authority, Professor Peter Chumesi, has praised Ezekiel Ansah for his philanthropic campaign.
Yeah, I think I must commend him and his team. I think they are doing so well. Ezekiel, who is currently also installed as Nana Ansah, I think he has really demonstrated that kind of ability that we always expecting from athletes. You see, sports is without borders. It moves into all other territories. You see, if you look at it, fundamentally, sports is used to really bind or unite the people. But beyond it, you can do sports for business, and I think today we are seeing it. You can use the sports also for improvement of your own communities. Nana Ansah is one of the products, perfect example of athletes who have also been trained and gone into a very very professional levels, and he's practicing his trade in America. He started as a basketball player, but then he was identified to have also other talent for American football. I'm very happy and glad that even as we also develop sports in other areas, Nana Ansah has initiated establishment of American football in Ghana. And that's one I will continue to urge him on. The National Sports Authority, the Ministry of Youth and Sport will continue to back him that this kind of transformation that we're seeing in the US can also be transferred and also demonstrated and also implemented in Ghana. I think he's doing so well.
The primary objective of the Ezekiel Ansah Foundation is to create opportunities for the Ghanaian youth in health, education and sport.
And just the gone by person was the National Sports Authority Director General, Professor Peter Chumesi. A petition has been sent to the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the Board of the National Sports Authority to have him step aside for what the petitioners described as looting the state purse. Joy Sports has established contract with him, and he's open to give us his side of the story. It's a 12-point petition that has been submitted to the two institutions to have him removed from office. One of the things was the disappearance of his official vehicle, which happened in September 2019, and claims that the car was not insured. But in a letter cited by Joy Sports, where he wrote to the Minister of Youth and Sports on 16th March, he said that the car was fully insured, but did not provide the insurance company that insured the car. Joy Sports will continue to follow this story. We'll speak to him as he has promised to do with us, and he will have an opportunity of seeing his side of the story. But we would be publishing the full document as submitted to the Minister of Youth and Sports and also the board of the National Sports Authority. We appreciate your company this morning. Thank you very much for joining us. The show continues right after this.